Welcome back to Tech Tuesday. Today we are going to learn how to clone something in Google Slides. If you're familiar with Smart Notebook, there's something called the Infinite Cloner, and it is when you have an object and you want to be able to pull and make an infinite amount of that same object. Listen guys, I am running out of shortcuts. Please, anything you want to know how to do faster, please email me with some suggestions, because it's really getting bad right now. So, today's theme is the alignment. This is a shortcut, Control-Shift-L is a shortcut to left align your text. To center align your text is Control-Shift-E, don't ask, I guess C was taken. And to align your text to the right, as you can see, Control-Shift-R. I've heard this comes in handy for our Torah teachers because they have to constantly do the alignment for switching from Hebrew to English. So hopefully that will come in handy for you. Alright, now for the fun part, cloning in Google Slides. As you can see, I have 4 icons here, totally random, and I'm going to show you now. If I drag one here, it is going to look like it's a clone. So if I drag my heart into one of the boxes, you can see that there are a bunch of hearts that I can keep going. This can come in handy. Think of ways that you can use it in your classroom. Maybe if for little kids, if you're doing coins, you can have images of the coins, and they can drag the quarter and the dime to do math activities and add them all up, or to just learn the coins. You can think of other ways that you can use it. Let me show you how to do this. So, it's a trick. It's not actually a cloning tool. If I insert a shape, let's say I'm going to choose this fun arrow. I'm going to put my shape on the slide. I'm going to give it a fun color. And now, basically, the hack is that I'm going to duplicate this many times, and I'm going to lay it on top of each other so that it looks like it's one item, but really it's many. So when you drag it, each time, it looks like you're cloning it. So how do I do that? If I select my object and I copy it, now I'm just going to paste it a whole bunch of times. Alright, I had to select all of them. I'm going to drag all and select all of them. And I have to align them so that they are on top of each other. So I'm going to first align horizontally center, and then I'm going to again right click and align middle vertically. And here we are. So really, as you know, there's a whole bunch of arrows and you can't see them. So if I move them, here they are, all hidden in there. Guys, remember, since there are so many in here, if you try to pull it, as you can see, only the top one will move. If you want to relocate the entire group somewhere on your page, you have to highlight it, and then all of them will move together. Thanks for coming to watch Tech Tuesday. See you guys next week.